Hey, what's going on, my friends? It's your man Adam Ace Spencer here with another growth portfolio update. For all of you guys out there who are new to the channel, we started this portfolio back on October 8th of 2021. And pretty much, about $100 for each company in our portfolio, and then have been contributing $25 each week. And as you guys can see right now, our current value is $919. However, our starting value technically is, as of February 18th, is $1,007.46. So technically, that means our gains, we are down $88.46, which is a negative 8.78 return. That's where we currently stand over the past day. But maybe things are a little better if we look at the past week. Nope, unfortunately, you can see we were down 9% over the past week, and the past month we were down 8.44%. The past quarter we were down 45.89%, and 1 year we were down 41.41%, which is the same as all time since we started this back on October 8th. So, my friends, the good thing is when you look and see how things are going in the short term, well, it's not as bad. It's not as bloody. So it looks like things might potentially be, done going down as low as they had been, and maybe potentially on the rise again, but maybe not. Again, we are still down quite a bit with this portfolio. It is a negative. That 41.41% brings us a total of negative $355.73. Ooh, brutal. But this is part of the territory of working with growth stocks. Growth stocks are incredibly volatile, especially if you have a market that is very bearish. If the market crashes, well, the growth stocks tend to be the first ones that are going to get hammered, and they've been getting hammered pretty hard, as you guys can see. So specifically, when we look at our portfolio to see how everyone is doing, who's doing well, who's, not doing so well, you can see our list here with Nvidia at the top, and they are still up 4%, followed by ChargePoint, who is up 2.54%. And then one of the two newest stocks that we added to this portfolio, CleanSpark, is up 1.27% for us, followed by SEM Rush, down negative 18.84%. And this is just the beginning, because Backed Holdings is down 20.76%, which is crazy because I feel like they were just killing it like a week ago again. And yeah, this market is insane. Fuel Cell Energy down 38.11%. Coinbase Global down 39.76%. Palantir Technologies down 59.62%. And DraftKings is down 65.27%. Absolutely crazy how much these growth stocks are getting hammered over the past 2 months, over the past month and a half. Absolutely crazy. But hey, it hasn't changed my story. I still believe in these companies. I mean, I won't lie. If there was one company in here that I don't believe in the most, that I believe in the least amount, it's Fuel Cell Energy. But after that, I mean, DraftKings is down the most, but I still believe in DraftKings in the long run. In 10 years from now, 15 years from now, 5 years from now, I'm confident DraftKings will be doing much better than where they currently are. And the same can be said with Palantir, Coinbase, and everyone else in here. So I'm not freaking out. I'm not worried, because we are dollar cost averaging. We just continue to contribute a small amount on a consistent basis, and it's just allowing us to accumulate more shares at, these reduced prices, these sales. And so if you went to the store, wanted to buy a pair of Jordans, they cost, $300, and you're like, it's a little much. Like, I'm all set on that. And then you go back to the store a week later and you see that those same exact shoes are now only $100, and you still love them. You still like them. You still think they're the flyest shoes out there. Well, I think pretty clear. Most of y'all are gonna go and buy them them shoes, right? Well, that's how you need to think about your stocks and the companies that you have in your portfolio. If you truly believe in them, when they drop, when they dip, don't panic. Don't abandon them. If you truly believe in them, buy the dip and continue to dollar cost average down, because these prices that we're seeing, a lot of these stocks, they're not going to be like this forever. Now, they could be like this for another 3 months. They could be like this for 6 months. They might go even a little lower. But when it's all said and done, I believe that the companies I have in my portfolio will be better off in a few years from now. And so we are not panicking. We're not on that meet Kevin-ish. We're not selling. We are going to continue to buy, continue to accumulate more shares, and build up a bigger portfolio. So, my friends, if you haven't started to invest yet, you might want to consider to do so. And also, hey, maybe you don't want to be as risky with growth stocks. Well, consider checking out my dividend portfolio. I made an update yesterday, and you guys can see how well that portfolio is doing, because it is in the green. That portfolio is actually up despite this bloody market that we're currently in. So, your money doesn't have to go in growth stocks. You can put it behind more reliable, stable companies that have already proven themselves for the past 20, 30, 40 plus years. And, if you want to start to create your own portfolio inside of M1 Finance, consider using my link down below in the description area. If you use my referral link, you will get some free cash. It might be like $30 or so that you can use to invest in your portfolio. You do got to, you do got to open a new account and fund that account to get the money. But once you do it, you will get some more cash that you can use to grow your money. So, my friends, I'm going to wrap it up there, but feel free to leave a comment down below with your thoughts. Do you have a dividend portfolio, or, were you listening to, excuse me, I just said a dividend portfolio. Do you have a growth portfolio, or maybe you do have a dividend portfolio? Feel free to leave a comment down below. I'm curious to hear what you guys are currently doing with this crazy market. Did everyone just abandon all of these growth stocks? Do you still believe in Nvidia and ChargePoint and Coinbase and Palantir and DraftKings backed? I mean, where do you guys stand with these companies? What are you guys doing? Has everyone just abandoned and stopped, abandon the ship and stop buying growth stocks? Only everyone's piling on with the dividend stocks, Pepsi and Procter and Gamble and Chase. What are you guys doing? Leave a comment down below. I'm curious to hear what you guys are all doing. And while you're down there, don't forget to smash that like button. It does help with the YouTube algorithm, and it also lets me know that you guys enjoy and appreciate these updates of our growth portfolio. And while you're down there again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that notification bell so you guys can stay up to date on all of our latest and upcoming video content. But all right, my friends, you already know what it is. I gotta keep it moving, but I'll see you in the next video. Peace.